In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page load animation in Webflow. If you're looking to make your website interactive and captivating, from the moment it starts loading, adding animations can be an excellent way to enhance user experience. We'll be diving into how you can accomplish this in Webflow efficiently and effectively. To start with, over on the right-hand panel of your Webflow interface, you're going to want to click on the Interactions tab. This area is where you'll be able to design and manage all your animations. Once you're in the Interactions tab, draw your attention to the Page Trigger section. Here, you'll see a small plus icon. Click on that to open a menu of different page-related interactions. Since we're focusing on page load animations, go ahead and select the option titled Page Load. This selection is vital because it ensures that your animation is triggered the moment your page begins to load. Now, moving on, you'll be faced with an action choice for when page starts loading. For this part, you'll want to select Start an Animation. This action initiates the process where you can creatively add animations, enriching your web page's appeal. At this point, it's your cue to dive into the fun world of animations within Webflow. Let's create something engaging, like a moving animation. To add this, click the plus icon under Timed Animations. You'll have the opportunity to name this animation. Go ahead and choose a name that will help you remember its function. Once named, you can start adding your desired move action. It's essential to take a moment here to set the first instance of the animation as the initial state. The initial state serves as the starting point, ensuring your animation flows smoothly and as intended right from the outset. After configuring your animation according to your preferences, just click Save. Saving your work is crucial. It locks in all your creative efforts. But to truly see the magic of your animation come to life, you'll want to hit Preview. This handy feature lets you experience your animation in action, showing you exactly how it will appear to users when they load your page. Just like that, your page load animation is ready to dazzle visitors. As your page loads on the official site, the animation you crafted will display, creating an immediate, engaging impact. Every movement you orchestrated will play out right from the get-go, significantly increasing the dynamism of your web page. Remember, animations should enhance the user experience, not detract from it. It's always a good idea to ensure that your animations are smooth and complement the overall design of your page. Customize and tweak to your heart's content, and you'll create an inviting and interactive experience for your site users.